Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before.
All right, y'all. So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary Hair. Shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I'm rocking is their blonde highlight wig, body wave, transparent 13x4 lace frontal blonde balayage on brown hair. This unit is available in 14 to 32 inches. You can get it in 150, 180, and 250% density. It's available in a 13x4 and a 13x6 lace front. It says transparent HD 13x4 lace frontal, 13x6 lace frontal wig, virgin hair from one donor. It is your standard medium cap size. It says it has baby hairs along the perimeter and can be watercolored and restyled if you want to be interested. It's talking about the shipping time and all those good things. Now, the one thing that I do want to talk about with this wig is that it says body wave, and I remember when I emailed them, you know, I had said I wanted the body wave unit. This is a straight wig, okay? So obviously they must have it in both body wave and straight, because this is how this came to me, and I decided not to curl it up. Now, granted, you can curl this wig. If you don't want the straight look, you can curl it and you can get that look. But I decided not to, because I really like the straightness of it, and I love the texture, because the texture isn't very silky. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like a mixture between silky and Yaki. So I love that too. But that's not what I was expecting. But honey, your girl is not mad. Okay. So I want to throw that out there right quick because I did keep saying body wave. And like I said, I thought I was getting a body wave wig, but this is not body wave. Like this is definitely straight. But I'm not mad at it. Far as the hairline goes and bleaching and all of those things, I did not have to do anything to this unit. The way you see it is how a girl woke up. Like she woke up like this, okay? I did not touch this unit whatsoever other than I did cut that little single baby hair that you see right there. But other than that, I did not touch old girl whatsoever. How you see her is how she woke up, honey, okay? And as far as she entangling, obviously it's not doing any other things straight out of the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't do any other things at some point. Just that straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. My main con with this unit is gonna be that it's a 13x4. You guys know I'm not a fan of the 13x4s, and it's always hard to kind of conceal tracks, especially when you're dealing with lighter colors because the tracks tend to be lighter as well. But so that's gonna be my main con. I also want to mention that to me the lace is a little dark. It's not going to be dark on everybody, but it is kind of dark on me. So if you're my shade or lighter, this may be a problem. If you're darker than me, then this may be perfection. Okay, so those are my cons with this unit. My pros is, first of all, we're going to start with the color. The color to me is everything. Like those highlights, lowlights, or whatever, all the things I love. Like they colored this hair to perfection in my opinion. I love the lighter color with the darker roots. It makes it easier for people that are afraid of colors like this. So I love that for me. So that is going to be my main pro. I also love that this one did not take a whole lot of work. I did not have to go through a lot of things to style this wig. So I love that as well. So those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I would recommend this wig. I feel like this is the perfect spring unit, okay? This is the perfect unit to bring in the spring as far as I'm concerned. Like, I love the color of this wig. I just think, like I said, I think it's the perfect spring hair. I also love that, like I said, it didn't take a lot of effort. So as far as fronds go, it can be on the beginner-friendly side as far as fronds go, okay? So yeah, those are the reasons I would recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so let me give you a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions to look at me how left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not talking about one red cent. And if you're not already following me on my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous.